Alright, I just flew in and we were going to go to Clementon to ride Hellcat, and I got there. The board said Hellcat was open. I asked the employee and he said, look at the board, and I was like, I did, but I don't believe it. And after going through 3 different employees, I finally got to the ones who were on their lunch break, mind you. And they reminded me of that. They said, you know, I'm on my lunch. And I said, can you just check if the damn ride is open? They called, it's not open. We got lied to. So now we're at Great Adventure.
We got jeans stapled again.
Let's go to the park's best water ride here. The fountain. Oh. $17.50 an hour to scare? Don, what's the scariest thing you can say right now?
Nancy Pelosi's about to kill us all.
Because she closed Del Toro?
Exactly.
Nancy Pelosi actually closed Del Toro, so we're not riding that today. Thanks, Obama. How was the ride?
Not wet enough.
Why? Because we didn't fucking ride it.
Look at that line.
Yeah, that sucks. I'm gonna spray people if my credit card transaction goes through. It's been doing this for like... Network error, please try again. Shucks. Currently Six Flags is 2 for 2. It didn't accept my card. This day sucks.
And the amphitheater's closed.
Yeah. The theater that hasn't been opened in like 17 years. Well, maybe like 5, but still. Okay, so we just rode...
Bizarro.
We just rode Bizarro. Ah, kidding, it's Medusa now. Was that surprising? How surprised were you? On a level like A through X. 1 being the least.
Probably... Wumbo. W.
Whoa! Whoa! Where are we? We're looking at the best coaster not open. Oh well. We got the log flume. It's overall a pretty nice day here at Great Adventure. Aside from that line down there, I really don't like that. No! Alright, so status update, we just rode Justice League, and my friend, you know, beat up a few employees, and we got a bunch of fast passes.
It do be like that.
And we're gonna go beat up our other friend, Melissa, at the log flume.
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck her up.
Yeah, after we beat up Jose. Sorry, Jose. It's for content. But now we're gonna go ride some rides and not wait in lines and act like rich people. Don? Look at that water.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
That's like green or brown.
Oh,
yeah,
God.
I need the credit.
Oh. Looks like a Six Flags bathroom.
Let's get the credit. Why is this water like disgusting? Jesus Christ. Look at this. Who allowed this? I got hit. Look, can you see it?
He's a wet bottom.
No. I got the Six Flags dirty water. Oh, please, no. Oh, God. Oh, no.
It's a good thing I'm not wearing underwear.
Time to ride Nitro, and we're going up the the Flash Pass entrance because the line was probably very long.
I'm walking all the way back there for no fucking walk on.
Yeah, why would we walk back to the entrance?
It's a wasted walking. My ankles hurt.
As you can see, a very long line here at Nitro. That was like no wait. I'm so glad we used the Fast Pass. Absolute walk on. Definitely skipped a log right here. There was no one. Log flume review. How wet was it? It was good. It was just very wet. Wetter than the Rapids ride. I could like do my hair all over.
It's an arrow. They all make me wet.
What else did we do? We rode Zumanjaro. Kingda Ka broke down, which is unfortunate, and we probably should have ridden it earlier. But, oh well.
And Tango.
Tango was closed all day. El Toro, and I don't know. I wouldn't ride that even if it was open, but I think it was closed. I don't like roller coasters. But anyways, we're gonna get food and leave. And tomorrow we're going to Action Park, and I'm not vlogging that, but I'm going with Canby Coaster. So Mike, check out his channel. It's really cool, really fun. We're gonna get some footage of that park because mine came out like absolute dog shit.
And don't no fucking thuzies go to Action Park and complain about the safety.
No thuzies allowed. It is the most unsafe park. All right, bye guys.